This is the new Apple Watch Series 9. There's one feature that I absolutely love, which is tap, double tap. So you can see literally double tapping, and I'm scrolling through the UI. This is extremely useful when certain occasions that you can't really use both hands. Let's say you have a coffee in your hand, maybe you're at the kitchen, you've got flour all over your hands. You can even start a timer, for example, and you can stop it just like that, or you can continue it just like that. Super cool, and it's something that I always wanted on the watch because in most occasions, especially on the winter, for example, I'm always using my iPhone because you can use your iPhone with one hand. You can finally use your watch with one hand. So there's a lot of features that are currently not on this device, but it will be ready for launch. One that I'm very excited about is the precision finding on the iPhone. So we all know that, if you actually ping the iPhone, it will actually ping it to you, so you'll hear the sound. But you'll now got precision finding, so you can actually go tell your iPhone where it exactly is, which is cool. A quick thing that I wanted to mention is that Apple has discontinued forever all leather bands on the Apple Watch and all the other cases. So these bands are not made out of leather. Apple is still maintaining that relationship with Hermes, but they will not be releasing any more bands out of leather, which is, since I'm vegan, I'm really against the leather industry, so this is massive news for us. It's made out of a material that's called fine woven. I like the material of it. It's very, very soft. I'm a little bit worried that it will get too dirty, but it looks great. It comes in a couple of different colors. Here's the brown that looks gorgeous with the gold, and here's the green that looks stunning with the stainless steel as well. Really, really gorgeous colors. So as I said before, say goodbye to leather. It's made out of a material called fine woven. I like the material of it. It's very, very soft. I'm a little bit worried that it will get too dirty, but it looks great. It comes in a couple of different colors. Here's the brown that looks gorgeous with the gold, and here's the green that looks stunning with the stainless steel as well. And Apple discontinued the modern buckle last year, but hey, it's back and it's not made out of leather anymore once again. I love this, and I love the way that it looks, especially on this color. It's a magnetic buckle, so you simply snap it just like that. Super simple and convenient. All right, let me show you the new collection for Nike and Hermes. This one right here is absolutely stunning. You get new irregular, since it's actually made out of recyclable materials, you'll get new recyclable patterns right there, which is sick. These new ones are absolutely awesome. The new sport loops. And Hermes has also gotten rid of leather, which is crazy to see. We have this new sporty Hermes, and this one right here as well. This orange one with the new orange watch face is so cool. We also get a new improved chip called the S9 SIP. Faster processor with an improved neural engine. It basically lets you have all the new features with maintaining the same battery life, which is amazing. Talking about new features, you also get Siri now inside of Health. The Apple Watch Series 8 had 1,000 nits of brightness. Apple Watch Series now has 2,000 nits of brightness. So if you love working out with your watch outdoors, you should be getting some way much improved display brightness, which is awesome. One of my favorite features on the iPhone and the HomePod is simply tapping my HomePod in my home and playing music whenever I have. Same feature is coming on the Apple Watch Series 9. So if you're in your living room, just tap your HomePod and music will start playing in your living room. So that is the Apple Watch Series 9. What do you think about it? If you want to know everything that's new with the iPhone 15 Pro, with the iPhone 15, you can tap these videos right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.